Yun, makabulan tayo. Lalakas ng mga to. Yun. Pangpito lang ako. Entering Tricol. Pang-apat tayo. Ngayon yung 3 sa una. Ayun, subukan ko lang kumapit. Mamaya pagbalik, tingnan natin. Right now, number 1 na tayo. Hindi ko lang gano'n kalaki pa. 7K na. Baka 9K na. Una pa rin tayo. Approaching U-turn. Right now, dito ako sa wall. Number 1 pa rin. Ayun. Sa wall pa din. Mga last 3 na lang. Approaching na.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'm tired of my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these.
Ayun, tapos na. Nakuha natin 1:27:55. Hindi tayo PR dahil 1:26 yung dating oras natin. So iba naman kasi yung route ngayon. Sobrang ulat, napakahaba. Basta mahirap. Ayun, thankful lang tayo kay Lord dahil nakuha pa natin yung champion. Dapat magte-10K lang ako ngayon. Ayun lang, swerte lang.
For the things you know you love, do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Bate, shoutout po sa baby ko. Shoutout po sa mga grupo ko, Court. Boss Dico J lang malakas.
5,000 pesos all going to their grab kit.
So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start.
And today's fastest runner in the longest distance 21K category with a total time of 1 hour 27:51. Bet number 21463 para kay Dico J.
No, turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
You just won 1,000 pesos from Converge. Please claim your prize on that side of the stage. So congratulations po sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat din sa lahat na nag-participate sa ating Grab and Share promo. Now, speaking of winners, hindi pa tapos yung winning streak dahil meron pa tayong raffle prizes. Please give it away. So next up, we have 20 lucky winners of Grab totes na ito, meron tayong belt bag from Decathlon, cooling powder from Future Glow, cycling from Wonder Music, here's the Johnson Lead, and a mobile. And now we are ready to flash their names or their bid numbers on screen. Our 20 raffle winners. Congratulations to bid number 10125, 5420, 5445, oh 5045 rather, 5547. 5780, 5451, 5027, 10152, 5046, 5781. Again, sa mga winners po na tinatawag natin, please proceed to that side of the stage. Pasok din sa 20 ang bid number 5648, 5670, 5783, 5084, 5789, 5020, 5754, 5058, 5411 at 11124.